งเริ่มแล้วนะครับลูกๆเราร้องกระจองงอแงอยู่ครับเน่คุณครูบอกให้หยุดร้องเดี๋ยวนี้
เฮ้ยไม่ได้ร้องเด็กคนร้องแหลม
เน่นั่นแหละ
เด็กอินเดียเขาร้อง
เน่
เขาร้องเนี้ยตรงไหนกันเลยจู
Look at these people. What are they here for?
I don't know. Did you come for us? What are we going to do? Have you prepared anything?
Well, no.
Then I guess it's my duty to entertain them. I am the most talented after all.
Oh, you are impossible.
And how are you going to do that?
But I'm going to sing for them, of course. Don't you want to hear my beautiful voice? You can't sing. Of course I can. Just listen. She'll be coming round the mountain. She knows.
ทำอะไรเหรอ
And you call that singing? Well, yes. You think you can do better than that?
That's not hard. Let me just show you what entertaining an audience means.
เสียงหัวเราะของน้องเฟิร์น
Let's
กับ
try a
โจ๊
little
กนะครับ
something. And I want to hear everybody sing. I hope you like this one.
Sunsets in the sea, Singapore, oh Singapore, pretty flowers bloom for you and me. Come along, join the song in merry singing, blend our voices, join in the chorus. Singapore, oh Singapore, pretty flowers bloom for you and me. Singapore, oh Singapore, pretty flowers bloom for you and me.
นึกแล้วจะกรีดกราด
Did you see that? The girl, the beautiful girl.
That was incredible.
Where did she come from?
And you, did you see her?
She was there, above the village.
She was asleep.
But why? And how?
Please come back. Where have you gone?
What is he doing? Lee, come back.
Yeah, come back.
Is it me you're looking for? No, I'm looking for an angel.
Oh, then it's me.
No, she's a beautiful girl.
Did you say beautiful? Ah, it would be me then.
It's me.
Oh no, it's me.
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 It's me. You're not the one. It's me.
It's me, not you. We fix it, please.
It's me. It's me.
Lee, who are you? And how do you know my name?
I'm Oscar, and I have always lived here. So I know many things.
Huh?
I also know who you're looking for.
Who is she? Where is she?
Well, she's Princess Annie. But finding her is not going to be that easy.
You won't find her. Take me. Who dares to wake up the mighty Lord of Fire?
Sorry, sir. I didn't mean to. I'm looking for a princess.
I don't know about any princess, but since you woke me up, maybe you can also revive my powers. Sing!
me.
Sing along, everyone.